Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grid map using an easy method. We'll start by selecting your desired geographic area. Then, we'll define the grid size, perhaps a 2x2 mile square, to best suit your data. This approach simplifies complex information, making it accessible for everyone. You'll be able to visualize patterns and trends with clarity, even if you're new to mapping. Let's get started on creating your first grid map. Next, prepare your data for mapping. Ensure your spreadsheet has distinct columns for all relevant information, especially latitude and longitude coordinates. For example, you might have a column for sales figures and another for customer locations. Data cleansing is crucial. Remove any duplicate entries or incorrect values to maintain accuracy. This step ensures your grid map reflects precise information, making your analysis reliable and insightful. A well-prepared dataset is the foundation of an effective map. Now, let's use an online mapping tool. Many free platforms allow you to upload your data easily. Once uploaded, look for the grid overlay feature. You can customize the grid's appearance, choosing colors and transparency levels to highlight your data effectively. Adjust the grid cell size, perhaps to a 1/2 square mile, to match your analytical needs. This step transforms your raw data into a visually compelling grid map, ready for interpretation and sharing with others. Finally, analyze your newly created grid map. Look for clusters, hotspots, or areas with low activity to draw meaningful conclusions from your data. For example, you might observe a concentration of sales in a specific 2 square mile region. Export your map in formats like PNG or PDF for presentations or reports. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals. Sharing your insights helps others understand your findings and supports informed decision-making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.